What happened? Hello, everyone. Am I audible and visible? Hello, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, all. Am I audible and visible now? Okay. So, how are you all? A very good evening to all of you. Hi, Smaranika. Hello. Good evening. Good evening, Shantanu. Good evening, Ahana. Swashwat. A very good evening to all of you. So, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Fine. And now your summer vacation is continuing now. So, क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग समर वेकेशन में? Hello, anyone? Okay, summer vacation going to end. Okay, I'm also fine, Shantanu. Thank you. So today we are going to learn about what? Mensuration. Okay, a trip to Ladakh. That's nice. Great. So enjoyed a lot. Oh, 5 days more. Okay. Yes, in all places, schools are going to start actually. So let's see what are we going to learn today. Today our topic is mensuration. So mensuration is the branch of mathematics where we will learn about measurement, how to measure what? Perimeter, area, length, breadth, everything, no? Okay, trip to Puri, great, very good. So now let's start our today's class. I know that you enjoyed a lot in your vacation. You enjoyed. So let's do today perimeter areas. Okay. So first is perimeter. What is perimeter? The perimeter is a distance around it. No? So there are some examples like perimeter of rectangle. So let's draw a rectangle here. It's 2 into L plus B, you all know. I knew it. So here we have 15 and 12. Okay. 15 meter and 12 meter length and breadth. So now you have to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. Trigonometry? No, trigonometry will not come in your class. So now solve mensuration. Okay. Mensurate. Now perimeter area, let's solve some questions. Then you can do trigonometry, sine, cos, okay? So it would be how, what? It is how much? Perimeter would be 15 plus 12 into 2 and it is how much? Yes, 54. Very good. 54. 54 meter. Now, if you have perimeter, we have to find out perimeter of square. Then 54 meter is 54 meter because I gave you meter now. So now let's find out a perimeter of square. Okay. All sides are equal in square. So it is, let's see, the square side is equals to 76 meter. 76 meter, then you can tell me what is the perimeter of this square. If side is 76 meter, so perimeter of square is 4 into is length of its side. So it's 76 meter. So what is the perimeter? Can you tell me? Yes, let's see. 76 into 4. It would be how much? Wow, so many answers are coming. Yes, yes. Many more? Just only 3. It's 304 meter. Very good. Very good. So now perimeter of triangle, if the sides are different, A, B, C, then you have to add all the things now for side. Just like, let's take. Then 12, 27, 17 and 28. Then you have to tell me the perimeter of this triangle, okay? 12, 17 and 28. Perimeter of the triangle. All the sides, yes. All the sides, because the sides are different. 12, 17, 28 all the time. So we have to add these all. 12 plus 17 plus 28. Yes, yes, very good. It's 57. 57 meter. Nice. Very good. Very good. Or if we have equilateral triangle, that means all the sides would be same then. Fourteen, 14, 14. Then the perimeter would be 3 into length of the side. Now 3 into 14 only. In this way, we have to find out the perimeters. Okay, it's 42. Wait, yes, 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 nice. 42 meter. Always in perimeters and area, we have to write the units. So it is 40 meter, meter, meter. So it is 42 meters. Very good. Okay. So let's see some more perimeters. Here are the list. You can see the parallelogram. It would be 2 into base plus height, just like same. Because all the things are parallelogram like square, rectangles. Okay. So triangles, I already showed you rectangle, square, trapezoid. If you have a trapezoid, trapezium basically, एक second. Then it is A plus B plus C plus D. Okay. Screen is not visible. Okay, 1 second. Now it is visible. Now it is visible. Okay. So you see there are all the perimeters formula are there. If you have hexagons, so it would be 6 into A, 6A. Pentagons, 5 into A. You all know the trapezoid, square, all you know about this. Triangles, rectangles, square, trapezoid. So trapezoid, what you have to do? You have to add a plus. Okay, I will tell you. For trapezoid, what we have to do? A, B, C, D. So it would be A plus B plus C plus D. Fine? Okay, now you tell me. It is not visible till. Okay, I will tell you then. First is triangle, I already showed you, rectangle, square, and trapezoid, I already showed you. And kite would be 2A plus 2B. This is the kite perimeter of kite is. Okay. And hexagon, pentagon, all are same. Pentagon would be 5 into A, hexagon would be 6 into A. Fine. In this way, we have to find out the perimeters. And now let's talk about areas. What are area? Area of the figure is the amount of the surface that it covers. So just like here you can see, once again, area of a rectangle, for example, length into breadth, and square is a square. It's you all know. Now let's see some more figure here. Area of rectangle, just already showed you, L into B. It is visible now. L into B. Area of square would be, all are same, so it would be A square. Now, area of triangle. How to find out of? In this way, we have to find out. Half into B into H. Base into height. Okay? It's not visible. Okay, I will tell you then. Okay? Listen carefully. Area of rectangle, you all know, L into B. Area of rectangle is L into B. L into B. ठीक है? Area of square would be A square. If the side is A, now area of triangle would be half into base into height. And area of a circle would be pi r square. I'm not any comment. It is all not visible. Where are you all? Write down here comments. I actually, it's going now, it's continuing. Hello? Kindly write down in the comment box. Okay, okay. Okay, fine then. Okay, fine. So now for you, what is the difference between area and perimeter? Area and perimeter. Can you tell me what is the difference between area and perimeter? Area and perimeter. Area for you, here is a rectangle. You can see the, you see it is a rectangle is A, B, C, D. Fine. So perimeter is the total distance covered by the boundary of this shape. Just like if you have, this is called perimeter. In this way, we have to find out the perimeter, the boundary. And area is the region occupied by this shape. So that means this would be the area. That is the difference between area and perimeter. So perimeter is this boundary, okay? And this region is that is occupied by this shape is the called area. Fine. And area is measured in square units. You know that meter square, centimeter square, and perimeter is the units, that is meter, centimeter. Okay, area is in square meter, like meter square, centimeter square, and perimeter is meter, centimeter in this way. Now, let's solve some interesting questions. Okay, so the first question here is 0.76 kilometer square into meter square. This screen is visible now. You see, convert 0.76 kilometer square into meter square. The answer will be, there are 4 options, which would be the right one that you have to find out. Let's see how many of you has given the right one, right answer. Just 2 answers only. Give me. Chalo, answer karo. Which would be the right one? 0.76. 1 second. Kilometer square. Option D. Okay, then let's check it. We have to convert it is kilometer square, and we have to convert it into meter square. Then let's see the answer. 1 kilometer square is equal to 1,000 into 1,000 meter square, na? So it would be 7C. So you can see na, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which would be the right one? C is the right one. Okay. 7,60,000. You can see. Understood? 1 kilometer square is equal to 1,000 into 1,000, because we have to change it and convert it into meter square. So that is why it would be 7,60,000, not B, not D. Okay? So C is the answer. Okay, so understood. Let's move on. Let's solve one more question. It is so easy question. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 120 meter. How long is its side? That you have to find out. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 120 meter. Then how long is its side? Anyone solve this? This is so easy. Yes, so then let's see the answer. 5 into side is 120. So obviously the side is 120 by 120 by 5 is 24 meter. So it is C. Option C is the right one. Very good. C is the right one. Okay. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. This is 120 by 5 is 24. Very good. Now, next question is here. If the length and breadth of a rectangle is 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, if its length is doubled, then its new area is how much? Hello, what are you doing? Dear children, you have to solve the questions. Other things you have to do after the class, okay? Don't write any other comments here. Just answer the questions. Don't do any arguments. Now, if the length and breadth of a rectangle is 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, then if its length is double, then its new area would be how much? That you have to find out. Smaranika, this is question number 3. Question number 2 already solved, na? You all solved. Yes, let's check it then. You see 10 and 8. Length is 10, and breadth is 8. So that means here length is doubled. So it would be 20 now. So 20 into 8. So it would be 160 centimeter square. Very good. B is the answer, 160. 160 centimeter square. Okay, very good, very good. 160 centimeter square. Now let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Question number 4 is here. What is the perimeter of the given figure that you have to find out? Yes, very good. 160 centimeter square. Now, what is the perimeter of this given figure that you have to find out? Anyone? Which should be the right one? Can anyone understand? Chalo, let me show you. Here is the question is, you can see carefully, okay? Listen carefully and watch carefully. Fine? I'll show you the picture. Here you can see it is 10 centimeter. There are two figure is given here now. One is 10 centimeter. Here is 10 centimeter. Fine? You can see now. And it is in this figure, I write all the their figures, the sides in outside, and here in this figure, I wrote all the things I will write in the inside so that you can easily understand. So it's 10, 10 and it is 10. Fine. Now it is 8. It is also 10, 10. So now do you understand how to find out this? What is the perimeter of the given figure that you have to find out? So you can see there are two figures are here. One, the side is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This one 8. This one 10. This is 10. This is 10. Okay. So now we have to find out the perimeter only. So for perimeter, what you have to do? Just you have to add all the things. Now, so you can see the middle portion is we don't have to count because this is under the inside. So that means it is under what? Area. So we don't no need to add this portion. So just we have to add the boundaries only. So that is why it would be 10. How many 10s are there? You can see it's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And there are 2 8s. So 8 plus 8. So it would be 76 centimeter. Okay. Understood? In this way, whenever you have this type of question, okay, the figures are there given in the question. So always draw the figures so that you can easily understand. Yes. So it is so many tens, 6 tens and 2 8s. So it would be 76. Understood? So B is the answer, 76 meter. 60 plus 16. Very good. 16. 60 plus 16. Yes. Nice. So it's 76. Understood? So let's move on. Let's solve the next question. The sides of a rectangle are in the ratio of 5:4. If its perimeter is 72 centimeter, then its length would be how much? The sides of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:4. If its perimeter is 72 centimeter, then its length would be how much? The screen blurry. Which screen is blurry? It is clearly showing. Yes, yes. 5:4. And its perimeter is 72. So let's check it. Yes, the screen is visible, clearly visible. Shashwati, you see, is 5:4 and length plus breadth is 36 because it's 72. 72 by 2 is 36. So length would be 76. 36 into 5 by 9. And it's 20 centimeter. Okay. So A is the right one. Very good. A is the right one. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Now here is a figure for you. What is the area of the given figure? Here is the area, is a T junction. You see? So just you have to find out area of the given figure here. Not perimeter, just area you have to find out. Okay? Which question? Which question, Smaranika? Which question you couldn't understand? Can you tell me which number, please? Yes, 6 option D. Wow. So good, so good. Very, very good. So we have to find out only area. So A1, it is in this area. 1 second, please. This one and this one. Just for this rectangle. So A1 is 5 into 1, 5 and 1, 5 square units. And here you see it's 4 into 1, 4 square units. So obviously A1 plus A2 total area is 9 square units. So lovely. Very good. D is the answer. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now next, let's solve next one. Okay, D is the right one. Hope you all solved it. So now next question is here for you. The breadth of a rectangle is 2 by 3 of its length. Okay. If its perimeter is 32 meter, what is its area? That you have to find out. Chalo. The breadth of the rectangle is 2/3 of its length. Question number 5. Smaranika, you are asking. Okay, I will tell you question number 5 once again after solving this question. Question number 7. Now try to solve this. Okay. The breadth of a rectangle is 2/3 of its length. If its perimeter is 32 meter, what is its area? Anyone? So now let's check the answer then. Are you solving question? Is it visible or not? Hello, anyone? Solve this. It's so easy. Breadth of a rectangle is 2/3 of its length. So what would it to be? Length plus breadth is equals to 16, 32 by 2, and it's and it is 9 point x is 3.2. So length is yes, yes. You can ask me any doubts. It's 9.6. Now area would be question number 7. You didn't understand. Okay, for you once again. Here you can see it's the breadth of a rectangle is 2/3 of its length. So if let's see if length is equals to x, then breadth would be 2x by 3. Fine. And we all know that 2 into length plus breadth is equals to 32. So length plus breadth is equal to 32 by 2. So it's 16. Now it is 5x by 3 is equals to 16. So x would be 16 into 3 by 5 and it is 9.6. Okay. So length is 9.6. So breadth would be how much? 6 2/3 into 9.6 and it's 6.4. So area would be 9.6 into 6.4. Let's do the multiplication. And it is D, 61.44. Okay. D is the right one. D is the right one. 61.44 square meter, meter square, whatever. Now let's solve one more question. Understood? Okay, great. So let's move on. Yes, very good. Focus on the class, everyone. Question number 7 right now. Understood? This is the process you have to do in this way. Now, question number 8 for you. Find the perimeter difference of figure 1 and figure 2. Find the perimeter difference from figure 1 and figure 2. Anyone? Is it visible? Question number 8. Are you interested in solving the question? Otherwise, I will just explain the questions and then finish the class. So here is find the perimeter difference figure 1 and figure 2. Here you can see 16 and 14. So it's so easy to find out. 2 into 14 plus 26 and is 80 centimeter. And figure 2 is here 7.07 and 5. So it would be 10 plus 7.07 and is 17.07. Okay. 80 and here is 5. It is 5 and 5. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 7.07. So it's 10 plus 7.07. So 17.07 and 80. Now just difference we have to find out, and that is 80 minus 17.07. And it is 62.93. Okay, 62.93. Yes, very good. 6. C is the right one. C is the right one. 62.93. Okay. So now next question. Question number 8. Hope you understood. Perimeter 1 and perimeter 2. Just in this way we have to find out, and then we have to do just a subtraction. Now next question is here. The perimeter of two square is 40 centimeter and 32 centimeter. Find the perimeter of third square whose area is equal to the difference of areas of two squares. Now, such interesting question. Try to solve this first. The perimeter of two squares is 40 centimeter and 32 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a third square whose area is equal to the difference of the areas of those two squares. Okay. Chalo, it's so easy. Now try to solve this. बस थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन करना है. Anyone? Or I will explain you. Okay. The perimeter of two squares is 40 and 32. So that means length would be of first square, where is 40? 40 by 4, because they are square. 40 by 4 is 10. 10 would be the length. Fine. Now, so area would be how much? 10 into 10. Area is 10 into 10, and that is 100 square centimeter or centimeter square. Now, next is 32 centimeters. So length would be 32 by 4 is 8 centimeters. So area would be 8 square, that is 64 centimeter square. Fine. Now what we have to do is the third square, that is 100 minus 64, and it is 36 square centimeter. So now 36, as we all know that 36 square centimeter. So that means the length of the third square would be how much? So the perimeter would be 4 into 6 is 24 centimeter. Fine. 4 into 6. Length is 6 centimeter. So perimeter would be 4 into 6. That is 24 centimeter. Understood? B would be the right one. B. Not D. Understood? All B is the right one. In this way, you have to find out. Okay, do step by step. Okay, Aradhya, for you once again. Just listen carefully first. Huh? Length here is 2 square. Perimeter of 2 square is 40 centimeter and 32 centimeter. So length would be how much? Perimeter is given, 4 into A is equal to 40. So, sorry, and here, that is 40. So, length would be how much? 40 by 4. So, it is 10 centimeter. And area would be 10 into 10. That is 100 square. 100 centimeter square. Fine. Next is 32. So, length is here 32 by 4. So, it's 8 centimeter. So, the area would be 8 into 8. That is 64. Understood? So area of the third square be how much? 100 minus 64, because they are saying find the perimeter of third square whose area is equal to the difference of the areas of two square. So we have to subtract. 100 minus 64 is 36 square meter. So length would be how much? 6, obviously, because it's 36 area. So now square perimeter is equals to 4 into the length, 4 into 6, that is 24. Understood? So B is the answer. So now, Aradhya, understood now? Now next is question number 10. Try to solve this. Find the value of X and Y. You see 20 centimeter, 55 square centimeter, you have to find out. Okay? The skin is visible, the screen is visible. It is not visible. 3.7, 3.8, 3.4, 3.1. So just we have to find out the perimeter. So what you have to add? You see 3.1 plus 3.4 plus 3.8, 3.7 and 7.1 plus 6.9. Because we have to find out this, and this is 3.8 plus 3.4. Here you can see is 3.8 and 3.1. So it would be 6.9. Understood? Just you have to add all the things. For the perimeter, just you have to add all the things. So it would be 28. Okay. And now the next one would be the area. So area would be how much? 9.5. You can see 9 into 5 and 5 into 4. Just we have to multiply only. Because we have to find out only the area, not want all the stuff. So just in the, so that is why we have to add this and we get 65. So B is the answer. Very good. B is the answer. Now one more question. A garden is in the form of a rectangle. Garden is in the form of a rectangle having its side in the ratio 3:2. The area of the garden is 216 meters square. Find the length and breadth of the garden. Okay. So a garden there is. Array. A garden is in the form of a rectangle. Its sides having ratio 3:2. Okay. 3:2. The area is 216 meters square. Find the length and breadth of the garden. That is so easy. Ratio wala question. You have to do, you already done this type of question. Yes, then check it. 3x and 2x. So 3 into 2. Yes, yes. X square is equal to 6. You see, it's 3 into 2. 3:2. That means it's one is 3x and another would be 2x. And 3x into 2x is equals to 216 because the area is given here. Okay. So 6x is equals to 216. 6x square. That means x into x. 6x square is equals to 216. So x square would be 216 by 6. Okay. So x square is equals to 36. So x would be 6. So length would be 3 into 6, 18 and breadth would be 12. So A, okay. Now I wrote all the things for you. You see 3x, there is a rectangle. Watch carefully. It is 3x and it is 2x. Fine. So 3x and 2x. So 3x into 2x is equals to 216 because it is area. Area is A into B. A into B would be area. So that is why 3x into 2x is equals to 216. So let's do the multiplication. 3 into 2 is 6 and x into x is x square. Okay. So 6x square is equals to, once again, 6x square is equals to 216. Now x square would be 216 by 6. and it is 36. Understood? So x square is equal to 36, x is equal to 6. So length would be 3x, that is 3 into 6, 18, and breadth would be 4 into 3, it is 12. That is why it is, this is the answer, A, 18 and 12. Understood? Hello? 11A is the right one. So let's solve one more question. Now question number 12 for you. Is it visible or not? It is visible now. Mr. Roy has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. Okay, 10 and 15 and the square is 20 meters. Now, if he wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot and develop a garden around it, find the total cost of developing garden around the house at rate of rupees 25 per meter square. Wow, so fast. Good, very good. It is 10, it is 15, okay, and it is 20. Square plot. So it is 20, that means this is also 20, this is also 20, all at 20. And here you can see, here he wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot and develop a garden around it. So find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at rate of this we have to find out. Now let's check the answer then. You solved already. Let's see it. So area of the square plot would be so easy, 20 square. So 20 into 20, it is 400. Okay, 20 into 20, 400 square meter. Now, area of the house construction part would be how much? 15 into 10, because I showed you it's 15 and 10. So 15 into 10 is 150 square meter. That means the garden would be, the area of garden 400 minus 150, that is 250 square meter. Understood? So that is, now we have to find out only what? That cost of developing garden, that is 250 into 25 in 6250. Okay, 6250 rupees. C is the answer. Very good. C is the answer. Nice. Oh, didn't understand? Okay, once again, and listen carefully. First, you can see Mr. Roy has a square plot. That means, and it is 20 meters square. 20 meters. The length is 20 meters. That means it squares. It is also 20. It is also 20. So that is why area of the square plot would be 20 square. So 20 into 20 is 400 meters square. Fine. Now, if he wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot and develop a garden around it. So it is the construction, building construction area. And here is the length is 15 and breadth is 10. So it would be 15 into 10 is 150 square meter square. Fine. Now he have to want to build garden. Na? So what you have to do? Developing a garden for just garden area would be 400 minus 150. It would be 250 square meter. Yes, very good, Shantanu. Nice. Now, cost of developing garden would be how much? Because they are saying that developing garden around the house at rate of 25 per meter square. That means it would be 25 into 250. So, and it is 6250 rupees. Understood? 6250. Oh, wow. Nice explanation, Shantanu. Very good. Okay. Solve so many questions today. in perimeter area, many questions will come, you know, and this type of questions mostly come. They find out the area of this, area of this. Okay. So now, any doubts you can ask me? And last one is very easy question for you. Last question is so easy for you. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. Chalo, jaldi se solve karo. It is visible. Nice. Find the perimeter of the given triangle. 0.8, 90 and 120. Wow. So far, so many answers. Yes, yes. Very good. Let's check it then. It's C or not? Obviously, C is the answer. Just we have to add 120 plus 90 plus 0.8. Shashwat, it is visible. It is blurry. I think there is internet connection. Poor internet connection because it is visible. Yes, it is visible. I don't know why it is not visible to you. C is the answer. Very good. Okay, so anyone have any doubts? Yes, this is the easiest question. And you solve so fast, you people solve so fast. Okay. Why are you writing all the time? No, no, no. What is the meaning of that? Okay. Okay, then. No doubts. So fine. It is C the option. Okay. So let's end our today's class. Or you want to solve some more questions? Okay, one more question then. Very good. I like it. So one more question for you. Find the missing length of the figure. Is also so easy. Then we will finish our today's class. Okay. Find the missing length of the figure. It is also so easy question. 2750 here and 1200, 600, 400. Wow, so many answers are coming and it's really awesome. So it's 550. Very good, very good. This is also an easy question, no? So C is the answer. Very good. So if you enjoyed our today's class, we solved so many questions. So next day we'll see which topic we'll discuss and solve many more interesting questions. Okay. So now, as of now, let's end our today's class. It's 9:16 already. Okay. More hard questions. I gave you so many hard questions today. Okay. Next day, I will give you some more hard questions. Okay. Data handling. Okay. Let's see. Next week, we'll do data handling. Okay. Bye. Take care of all of you. See you in our next class. Okay. Good night then. Bye-bye.